Good morning students. Today we are going to take a look into the second part of the module 1 of ancient Indian chemistry, the traditional chemical operation. So let's start. Traditional chemical operations, purification and incineration. That is, purification means Shodhana and incineration means Marana. In the first part, we discussed about the concept of Rasayana, all those classification of Rasayana. And in that video, we have discussed certain chemical operations and chemical processes are going to convert this natural herbs into medicinal materials of medicinal properties. So in all those contexts, what are traditional chemical operations we are doing, that we are discussing in this video. So purification means Shodhana and incineration means Marana. In traditional chemical operations, particularly within the Ayurvedic practice of Rasa Shastra, Shodhana is the process of purification and detoxification, while Marana is the process of incineration that transforms the purified substance into a microfine therapeutically potent ash called bhasma. So in Shodhana, what we are doing, we are purifying and detoxifying, and after this purification process, what we are getting, that we are allowing to the operation Marana. And in the process of Marana, we are incinerating that purified substance and transforming that purified substance into a microfine ash-like powder called bhasma, and it is a therapeutically potent ash, that is bhasma. Both steps are essential for converting the toxic raw materials and raw metals and minerals into safe bioavailable medicine. So both Marana, Shodhana and Marana, as well as all these things have to be done before consuming a raw metal or a herb or a naturally available substance to save bioavailable medicine. Okay, let's discuss Shodhana or purification and detoxification. Shodhana is the crucial first step that aims to eliminate physical, chemical and toxic impurities inherent in naturally occurring substances such as metals, minerals and poisonous herbs. It also helps to enhance the substance therapeutic properties and preparing it for further processing. Sometimes when we search for a particular natural product, naturally available plant or animal product, we find it both it is a poison as well as it has some medicinal properties. So how can we apply this poisonous, we can use this poisonous substance for our body as a therapeutic? So for that process, we are doing the Shodhana. That poisonous substance may have some medicinal property also. So first what we are doing, we are purifying it, we are detoxifying it, we are removing the toxin from that raw metals, animals or herbal products, and then enhancing the substance therapeutic property. So that we are doing in this Shodhana process. The key aspects of Shodhana include removal of toxicity, physical and chemical changes, potentiation and bioavailability, and the common procedures that we are discussing here. Removal of toxicity means the primary aim is to minimize its inherent toxicity to a level that our body can tolerate, making the substance safe for internal use. And the physical and chemical changes means procedures like repeated heating and quenching in specific liquid media induce physical changes like increased brittleness and micro cracks which aid in particle size reduction. Chemical transformations such as the formation of oxides also occur here in this step. So first we are removing the toxicity. The second one is the physical and chemical changes. What we are doing is we are subjecting that material for repeated heating process or quenching in specific liquid media, that is natural liquid, cow's milk, buttermilk, lime juice. In this liquid media, we are suspending that purified raw material. First the remove, after the toxic substance removal, we are quenching this herbs into this specific liquid media, and we are subjecting to repeated heating, and as a result of this certain physical changes are induced in this raw materials. Like if it is a metal, its brittleness will be increased and micro cracks will be there, and as a result its size reduction happens, particle size reduction happens, and it will be converted into nano material like substance. So that is bhasma. So chemical transformation such as formation of oxides also occurs in this step. Potentiation and bioavailability means Shodhana enhances the substance's therapeutic efficacy and makes it more compatible with human tissues by impregnating it with properties from the organic media used during the process. Means in physical and chemical change process, we are heating that material and we are suspending that material into specific liquid medium. So what we are doing in this potentiation and bioavailability step, this Shodhana process enhances the substance therapeutic efficacy because as we are suspending this raw material into specific liquid media, certain properties from that organic liquid media are inducing into this raw material. So as a result, its bioavailability increases. And the common procedures are Nirvaba, Swedhana, Prakshalana. What is Nirvaba? Nirvaba means continuous heating and quenching in specific liquid media. And Svedana means boiling and steaming. And Prakshalana means washing using various media like acidic or alkaline liquids, herbal juices and animal products. Next is Marana or incineration, calcination. So these are the various steps of the Marana process. Pure gold, then this is the heating of gold, then this quenching in Kanchanar juice, dyeing of gold after the process, then amalgamation of gold and this mercury, sulfur is kept over it, then is Sharav Sampudha, Bhasma formation after incineration, and this is the Bhasma of gold. So this is the various steps in the marana or incineration or calcination of that metal into ash. Marana follows Shodhana and is the process of converting the purified material into a stable microfine powder known as bhasma, which is easily assimilated by the body. The term Marana literally means to kill, the metallic nature. What we are killing it? The metallic nature we are killing. The raw material, if it is a metal, the metal's metallic nature we are killing it. That is Marana. And it is converting into a therapeutic potent ash-like powder, converting it. As a result, its assimilating power is enhanced by our body. So we are, after the process of Shodhana, the purified material is subjected to the Marana process. Hope you understood. Next is the key aspects of Marana. It includes microfinization. The process transforms the material into ultrafine particles, that is often nanoparticles, which significantly increases its surface area and enhances absorption and bioavailability. So this is a point to be noted, students. As a result of after the Shodhana process, after the purification, entire purification process, we are converting this purified material into ultra fine particle, that is nanomaterial size particle, and as a result, when it is converted to nanoparticle, its surface area increases, and as a result its assimilation and bioavailability increases, its absorption power of our body increases. Then the formation of bhasma, the final product is a non-toxic ash that does not revert to its original metallic form, a key indicator of successful Marana process. So there are various methods for testing whether that bhasma is formed or not, and one of the main the criteria is that this bhasma should not revert back to its metallic initial state. So the this ash is the non-toxic product and it should not convert back to the original metallic form. So that is the key indicator for a successful Marana process. Next is enhanced efficacy. The resulting bhasma is highly potent and can be effective in very minute doses. And steps involved are Marana typically involves triturating the Shodhita, that is purified material, with specific herbal juices bhavana, shaping it into pellets, Chakrigarana, sealing these pellets in earthen crucibles, Sharava Sampudhigarana, and then applying a standardized measure of intense heat Puta. So these are the steps involved in Marana process. So after the concept of Rasayana, we discussed in this video the traditional chemical operations, that is we have to follow for converting a raw material or a substance, natural product into a material of therapeutic use. First is the Shodhana process and the second one is the Marana process. Marana means incineration or calcination process. Hope you have all understood about this traditional chemical operation process. Thank you.